Hi, in this video we are going to do a problem related to this parameterized curve. How can we draw a parameterized curve? The question is draw x is equal to t raised to 2 minus 4, y equal to 2t minus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2. This t varies from here minus 1 to minus 1 to 2. T varies from minus 1 to 2. And next we have to find out corresponding to each value of t, find the value of x and y. When t equal to minus 1, we have to substitute here minus 1 square minus 4, that is minus 3, and minus 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 15 by 16, minus 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4, minus 4, that is minus 15 by 16, that is minus 1. And when 0, when t equal to 0, this is minus 4, and here y equal to 0. And for 1 by 2, that is minus 15 by 16, and this is 1. For 1, minus 3, 2, 2 at the point 2, that is 0, 4. Next we have to find, we have to draw these values. We have to draw the xy curve, parameterized curve in this. This is minus 1. Suppose this is a point minus 1. This is a point minus 2. This is a point minus 3. And this is the point minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3. Here that is 4. Minus 1. Minus 2, minus 3, here minus 4, and in this value this is 1, here that is 2, this is 3, here that is 4. Okay, next we can denote the points corresponding to this xy coordinate, and for corresponding to t equal to minus 1, that is we are going to start with up to t equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1, and finally to 2. Okay, when t equal to minus 1, the value is minus 3, minus 2. That is minus 3 is the x coordinate and minus 2 is the y coordinate. This is a point. Okay, and here there is a correction 1 by 2, that is minus 15 by 2. This is 4. Here also this is 4. Okay, this is not correct. This is 4. So minus 15 by next, this is my first point. When t equal to minus 2, this is minus 15 by 4 is minus 3 point something. 3.8 something, like approximately up to 4, and minus 1 here, that will be the point here. And next is the minus 4 0. Here there is a point. 1 by 2 minus 15 by 4. And for the same point here there is a next is for the 1 minus 3 2. For 2 that is 0 4 4 0 4. So our curve is starting from here. This is the point corresponding to minus 1, minus 2 here, 0 here, 1 by 2 here, 1 here, and 2 here. So this starting from this point, and this is a curve actually. This is a parameterized curve corresponding to this curve, right? Next we can do the next problem. Second one, x equal to square root t, y equal to t. Okay, this is a question in this. This is a question, and we have to do this y equal to t, and in this problem we have to do that here there is no t is not given. So in order to here root t means t varies from 0. T start from 0. So end at infinity. So just to take t varies from 0 from 2 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Okay. This when t equal to 0, what happened to this x and y? When t equal to 0, t here, x, y. When t equal to 0, what happened to this x? X is equal to 0, y equal to 0. When t equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. 2, that is root 2, and this is 2. When 4, that is 2, here 4, like that. And the graph will be of the form x equal to 0 and 0, 1, 1, this is the point, suppose this is 1, here that is 1, This is a point. This is a point 1. Next root 2 is 1.7, 1.4 something here. Then that is root 2 up to 2 here. 4, this is 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is 4. Next is the 2, 4. This is a 2. This is 3. And corresponding to the 2 pair is 4. 4 is here. So on. 3 is root 3 and go on like that. So our graph will be of form like that. This is a graph actually. Okay. Okay, see this. This is a graph. And for the question, next question, 3, x is equal to t, y equal to t square. What will happen to this? Again, this t varies from 0 to infinity. Again, this t varies from 0 to infinity. When t equal to 0, what will happen to this x and y? What is the value of this? This is t, x and y. When t equal to 0, what happened to this is x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. And this is 0 actually. Okay. Right. And when t is equal to 1, t equal to 1, x equal to 1 and t equal to y equal to 1. And for 2, t equal to 2, that is 2, 4. For 3, that is 3, 9. So we can easily draw this as the pair is 0, 0. Next 1, 1. Suppose this is 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2. 1, 1, 0, 0. This is 0. 2, 4, like here. Suppose that is here and so on. So the graph is again the form is here. Okay, this is going to upwards. This is the graph, right? Like this way, we have to do the problems, and in the next problem, we have to do that. Describe the curves represented by the parametric equations. X is equal to cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, where a is greater than 0 with the parameter intervals 0, closed interval 0, pi, closed interval. This is actually, we know that this is the equation of x is equal to, we can explain this. This is the fourth question. Okay, we can explain these questions in the next video. After that, we have to do carefully. Okay, thank you.